Take a ride in the 2025 Expedition. Powerful, controlled, resourceful. Expedition. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, stability control, tire pressure monitor. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This Ford-certified pre-owned vehicle has undergone a rigorous inspection by factory-trained technicians. We notice everything. Enjoy the confidence of the comprehensive limited warranty that offers coverage on more than 500 components. Relax, it's covered. See your dealer for details.